start. I'm gonna start in the Twatch. We have
In
to
its watch.
Yeah, we have to look into NeoVim. I think we are actually transitioning to NeoVim now. If I think so. I'm gonna make that tier.
Right. Oh yeah, of course. It does this every time. He just opens the stream and just leave switch. I should make a ping plong bingo.
Alright, I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but yeah, it's boiling.
I can.
Damn. It's gonna be hot tea, not cold, you know. Let's see.
And then it's gonna be lukewarm.
Lukewarm.
Someone didn't say Lucas warm.
Yeah, bro, I was just about to say the same thing.
Too bad, I said it before you.
Oh man, how could this happen? Right. I think everything is set up.
Oh, why is there no Soviet Union flag
In the thumbnail?
as an emoji? No, in the emojis. Emojo. Why is there no Soviet emojo?
Soviet emojo. Let's see, does the Sega...
Yes.
Does the Sega LSP work, bro?
Sega. What's up?
Sega?
He's like a train, you know. Sega.
Hey, yo. That's not far off.
Yeah, that's what the trains say, don't they? Sega. Yeah, that's not far off, yeah.
Whoa, wait. Sig Master, Sig ZLS, and NeoVim setup. Yo, what's up? Yo, yeah, we're gonna set it up.
Oh no, not this guy. Okay, now this guy actually has some pretty good stuff, but also it's like very outdated. But it's whatever.
Yeah.
What the fuck is this piece of shit? Of the series, since new versions of Zig.
Wow, I was really watching this video in.
It's 2 minutes in and we're still like looking at the blank terminal.
Play it at double speed.
Bro, but would I have problems because I use any Sig with this now? Nah.
Probably.
Oh man.
Now let's go back to the terminal.
Then you get premium, so I can have 4 times.
Here we're going to do a wget. If your system doesn't have wget, you can install it via your package manager. Let's paste this. Wait for it to download. There we go.
That's just a Siglang, right?
Let's untar that.
Remember how I said?
Okay, let's remove that tar.exe file. And then we have it. It's roughly 100. We are going to move inside the user.
You know what the Big Bang? Yeah, well, this is the Sig Bang.
So when a new Sig version comes up that you want to use, or even if you want to use an older one, all you have to do is just change this symbolic link.
And do you do this as well?
And download it and extract it, and you have the new Sig version up and running.
Do what?
So let's go back to the home directory. Let me clear the screen here.
And
let's see. Let's use which Zig. There you go. User local downloading and build.
Bro, I just installed Sig, put it in my VS Code config, and bam.
Well, Lucas nerfed. What happened? What happened to here? What do you mean? What happened to here? Hello, teacher. By the way, you're living in Germany. What?
The ZLS language server.
I don't know what they're on about.
Let's do a search here for ZLS.
ZLS.
First link. This is a Git repository, which we will be cloning. Let's go back to the terminal.
The repo?
Here, we're going to do a Git.
Bro.
Yo, guys, Black Friday, am I right?
Yo.
But around here we call it something else.
What do we call it here? I actually don't know. What do we call it down these corners?
We call it in Spanish.
Nah, if you don't call it that in Swedish, there's no way.
No, we don't call it that in Swedish.
I was already like, what the hell?
We all want to call it like that.
Lucas has turned into a 10x engineer while I was away. Bro, I'm a minus...
No, it's become like a 0.11.
No,
0.LLM.
Yes, 0.LLM engineer.
Engineer. We're going to do a Zig build. Now I'm building ZLS.
So just
from Team Fortress 2?
Is it? Oh, I would love to play some Team Fortress. I'm just gonna go into tools. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
let's
put
play
it.
some Team Fortress.
No. We need to get this thing. We need to
No?
get this thing. And should I just reset my
Nah.
NeoVim to what is it called? Lazy Vim.
Man, just reset your project.
Bro,
Just restart.
bro, no. No, 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 no.
Yes.
No, 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 no. We ain't doing that. It's the less. And then was it just build? It's just a sig build. Well, okay, that makes sense.
You're not gonna make it. It's not gonna compile. You probably do it in release fast.
Yeah,
Optimize
the
fast.
release safe. Wait, which version is this? 29 minutes ago, bro. This is up to date. I'm telling you.
Yeah, it's not gonna compile.
Probably it's not gonna compare. We'll see. Okay, while it's downloading that thing, I'm gonna get my tea, BRB. Yeah, T-Chef, just send
This
me your
guy.
current config. I will roll with it.
Yeah, you sent Lucas your credentials. He needs them all for his, his redeeming of the cards.
Do not redeem the card! What? Do not redeem the card! Yes, I'm redeeming.
Oh, I know what happened to the soundboard. It's reversed. It's like the vine boom is now on the bottom right, but before it was on the top left. Why Discord? I'm a Discord moderator. I don't have time to relearn my soundboards. Oh my god, bro.
I mean, it's alright.
It's not alright, and I misclicked on that. Bruh.
Yo, what the fuck was that Windows sound? Did I hear?
Windows? Nah. I think you need to look out of a window because there was no window sound.
What?
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 You sounded exactly like this one.
Do not redeem the card!
What?
Do not redeem the card!
Yes, I'm redeeming. Yes, I'm redeeming the card.
Oh, yes.
But I was about to ask, does T-Chef use Lazy Vim or does he has a completely?
I'm pretty sure. Bro, just tell Damon that you want Lazy Vim, and he'll just like, yo, here's 10 billion config files I have.
He will be. It's already installed in your system.
Yeah, he somehow installed it like through Docker for you.
Lazy is the goat. All right, we will get Lazy Vim, boys. No idea how. We will go with it. I can go to my. Wait. Bro, I cannot.
1 hour later.
Wait, did I fuck up? Did I?
Yes.
No, wait, it said that. Yeah, it wasn't downloading. Very fun. Wait, what? Is it done downloading? Is it built? What happened?
It's built. It's built.
It is? Oh, great, 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 great.
In debug mode.
Yeah, you just gotta move to the right location now.
Build it in release. You can build it in release if you want.
Mhm.
But I build it in debug because it's faster. ZLS is a big project, and building it in release mode will take a lot of time. And I've had even the situation where I run out of memory and I can't build it in release mode. But, I
Imagine
built it
running out of memory. That's funny.
in debug mode ever since, and I've really haven't had any problems, no noticeable performance issues or anything like that. So here we go. If we go zig out bin, there we have that ZLS binary.
Imagine using AIs for your code though. Am I right?
Back to user local bin. Let's clear the screen here. And once again, let's do sudo ln-s till bl zls zig out bin zls.
Okay, that's actually a pretty smart way to do it. If you think about it.
Nah. It's a stupid way.
I think it's a pretty damn smart way to go about it.
What did bro even say?
He just went to user local bin. And then here he just made a symbolic link to the thing, which is pretty good because then you just do that every time. You know, you need to change it.
I guess.
So it's in tools.
I don't know. I used to have
ZLS.
a .sig folder in my like user directory where I put all my sig stuff.
Yeah,
Like
but then
sig
you will have
compiler,
to.
sig
Then you
ZLS.
would have to.
I don't export it, man. I just make aliases. Hello, Tushef.
Wait, what would be the? Will it be called ZLS as
What
well?
would be the stupidest way? Yeah.
I have an.
Tushef. Tushef.
I
Your
have an
keyboard.
SL.
Yeah, I'm fixing it right
And there you
now.
go. We have that.
I mean
ZLS
your
now.
seat, as
Go
it's
back,
called in
associate it
Wayland.
with ZLS. There you go. And if I run ZLS, there you go. ZLS is run, which you normally would not run directly. This will be used
Wait,
by
is my
Neovim
microphone
in
cutting
our
out
setup.
again, or is it?
No,
And
it's good.
that's
It's good.
basically
It's
what we're going to do
okay.
next. Now let's
It's very German quality.
Go Harold,
You're in a
I
home
got
directory, let's
so
create a directory
cooked
called
after the video I
config.
sent you.
Okay.
Oh, did
Whoa.
you?
And in let's
I nearly
change to that
drowned in
directory.
water, I swear, bro.
What? You drowned in
Nah,
water?
And in let's
That's
change to that directory.
damn.
And let's move over to the
So
browser.
I was biking and it
Let's
was
search for
so strong raining
Kickstart.
and stuff. It was crazy.
I don't know what you guys are on, man.
Neovim
It's
Kickstart
it's
is,
snowing right
basically,
now. Well, not
configuration
for me,
Neovim
Oh, that's
but
nice.
that has
in the
a
city
lot of
I go to
useful
school in.
plugins already configured.
But you're
a
in
lot
the
of
north.
key bindings, a lot of
Yeah, you're in
Yeah,
the
not
north.
Glasgow, the snow wall.
so basically, it is what the name says.
Yeah,
It
okay,
kickstarts
so
your,
hear me out.
Neovim,
Basically,
configuration.
I live in a
So
separate
what we will be
city
using
from
is,
my
I've
school,
had a
and
lot
my
of success
school
by using this
has
initial
snow.
configuration with
But
very
this
little
place doesn't have enough
customization,
snow. It is
with
it
Zig
is
and
rainy
ZLS.
and shit.
So what we're going to do, we are once again
Yeah,
we're going
that's
to
crazy.
copy this
Yeah,
URL. Let's
that
save
is
to
crazy.
our terminal.
But
And here we're going to
Jeff,
do
how did it go
again,
on the
a
test?
clone of this. But this
Yeah,
time let's clone it to a
so
directory called entity.
it's German, so I can't really tell because, like, in math, I have a feeling like, oh, did I do well or not? So in German, it's always, yeah, I don't know, but
Okay.
I think it's pretty good. So yeah, boy, I heard your prayers.
Hello, criminal.
Yeah, I actually forgot. So I don't know.
Wait,
man.
where
Oh,
is the
I said
actual?
to Fredmaster.
Where do I put? Where's the init
What?
Lua in this lazy Vim place?
It's nowhere.
No, they don't have it in the lure. You just. Oh, there's the init lure. Never mind.
Yeah, like I'm
Yeah,
wondering, like, where do I
never.
locate this thing?
Okay, I don't even know anymore how I got it, but I think you download it and then include it into your lure, init lure.
File structure here.
Include.
So inside here you just have the new
Yeah,
Vim.
where is your init lure?
Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah.
they do not. Why is the init Lua not here? So wait, is it this thing that I actually care about?
Yeah,
Init
this is the
Lua.
thing.
But then no, because they should have a Lua.
They have it. There's the init lure in the end on the thing. If you go down again,
Oh yeah,
there's the
okay.
init lure.
So this actually becomes the root of the NeoVim config folder. Scripts
I
is
don't.
right there. Plugins and
I'm not
config is what
sure
I'm actually
because-
curious about. Plugins and config. Where are the damn plugins and configs?
It doesn't have plugins.
Here they are. And
Yes, I
util.
think. But go into plugins.
Like I want to see this in Lua. API, do not use it directly. Error message. Please check the docs. But I'm trying to read the docs. I think they mean
Just
to
dox
use.
yourself.
I think they mean that we want to use this thing, right? And just take this out from
I
here.
think that's. Yeah, that's like example, but you don't need to do it like this. Like if you scroll down, the image above the project, like down in the readme.
Hello, Magoo. Image above the project. Wait, what?
Yeah, right further down where they say where they show the file tree something.
File.
Yeah, even more down. Yeah, there the file structure. You see there they basically have the init.lua. They have a folder and they just separated it. You can do it like that. It's probably better, but if your config isn't that like crazy, then you don't need to do it. Because you could split it up into multiple files and then have each plugin into a different file. Yeah. And that's how they are doing it right now.
Yeah, no, I like it actually more like this because then you can But so it is. This is the only thing that I actually queer about.
Where?
Yeah,
Are
you
you
just gotta put
clear?
that into your init lure. This require lazy them
Hmm.
thing.
No, it's the
No,
Mr.
mango.
Mago. Our
Mango.
favorite hero, Brian.
It's mango.
Damn, he doesn't even like himself. Damn.
Okay, but then I will just have to move all of my stuff. I just created a backup there, but now I realized, like, how do I move all into backup except for backup? Can I do that?
You don't.
Cannot move itself. Yeah, how do I exclude itself from being moved?
You don't.
How
How many
can
files do you
I?
have in the folder?
How can I? Well, yeah, I will just do how can I?
Oh.
And I will do this, and is it like an exclamation mark or something like? Move only files, not direct. No, I want to move directories as well. Option move everything except backup. Shop. What is? I have never used this command. Oh wait, I have used it actually once. Move backup. But what? Is it dumb? Move backup to backup underscore. You will have the same problem.
But different error, you know? Different error. It's so
Different
your error.
error, right? Different error.
What?
Exactly.
What the fuck?
Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Trust it. Trust it, bro. No such file
Yeah,
or directory.
Saurus. Trust me, bro.
Well, it's good because now it is. And now we're gonna take this. And we're gonna git clone it.
I really don't even know anymore how I set up lazy vim. Like, I think you don't even need to install or git clone it. You just make your file and require it, or like, and it automatically gets it. If I remember correctly, because yeah.
Nah. Instead, we're just gonna trust it got prompt injections. Yes, very much trust. We're gonna see inside of Lua here, lazy beam, and then here we have all of these things. I think this is all what we want. So we're gonna move all of this. Great. I need to do this. Okay, so we're gonna move all. One step back we will be in Lua, another step will be in lazy beam, another step back will be in neovim, and then we can CD.
Go CDing into the hardware again. Bro, what is that?
I'm seeding into the hardware,
Dot slash
but
dot
backwards.
slash dot.
Okay, let's see, how does it work? Okay, well, it's here. At least something open up. Let's see in it, Lua. Why is it so damn bright? Did it actually work or not?
Default neovim.
Oh god. But yeah, so these are the old ones, don't really care about them. So is it plugins where I changed the editor? Do they have, doesn't Neovim have like already like especially LazyVim like an pre-installed where you can just no, this is
No,
not
I
how
think
it's supposed to look
LazyVim.
like, because it should come with the thing, you know, the hierarchy on the left, or doesn't come with it.
No. LazyVim is not like. LazyVim is just a thing that it basically does nothing to a new Vim except it's like a plugin manager, so you can easily load in plugins. You know, it
I thought
doesn't
it
do
would come like
anything.
this. Setup powered by Lazy, you make easy customers extend your config. I thought it would look like this when I get it.
No, I think they have a default thing, but like not. If you just use the package, then I think it doesn't look like that. Like I'm not sure. I think there's a. I don't know. I
Bro,
just
do
made
I have
my
to watch a
own
video how to
config,
set up
like.
NeoVim so I can set up my TTLS? Great. Next video. 16 minutes? Bro, we can put that to 8.
In this video, we'll be looking at the LazyVim setup for
No,
NeoVim,
do
powered by Loudify How it's configured.
4
LazyVim
just.
also has its own documentation site, which is a nice addition to its GitHub repo. So
Oh,
let's
wait,
begin.
there is
We'll
an
go to the
actually-
installation section of the site,
I didn't see
and
this.
first we'll back up our current NeoVim setup, in case we want to revert back later. And then we'll clone the LazyVim starter repo to our local machine.
Wait, you could literally have done this. Move, whatever that means.
Back is probably backup, right?
Yeah.
Guys, I just want to say that I want the Wayland developers personally to rehabilitate themselves because I have had to install 3 dependencies so far to make a Wayland window, and then I need another one so I can read keyboard input. Like how many dependencies and how many libraries can you want to make? Like bro, just let me have my keys.
See,
I'm
Lucas,
personally gonna-
And then we'll remove the .git folder so you can add it to your own repo later, especially in this case where you're setting. Okay, so now you should be able to start NeoVim and watch the magic happen.
Lucas, you should
The
just
lazy.env
That's why that's why it did not. It didn't. I did it wrong. All right, great. Let's do it right now. So
Yeah, you just loaded like the LazyVim in, and LazyVim is just a package manager. So when you normally you extend it like with your plugins that you want to have.
no, you're supposed to do it
yeah.
with like that. Trust me, bro.
Like I never did it like that, but okay. It's also
I don't know. Really.
it also works. But I just found it interesting to make like my own thing, and then like because I kind of not like when you like download something and then just remove everything you don't want. But I mean it works, so it's probably also not a bad idea.
I'm still gonna run these commands. I'm not really. It's so interesting. Like, does it actually like create some backup of it? I don't know, bro. We'll just run this and hope that it does what it's supposed to. Now my system will compile. It will die. I mean, and now we can do this. Destination home already exists, bruh. So wait, So wait,
Yeah,
it
just
creates a
do
backup
those.
of the damn. Okay, we can do that. So if I now go to .config and well, I can actually cd back. No, I cannot. No such file, but it's still there somehow. I have no idea what the fuck that command. Make a backup of your sure. It's there's a backup. And now we're cloning it. And then we can remove the git. And then that should be pretty much it. But now because
Now you have a backup, but you don't know where the backup is.
yeah, bro, I have a backup. Trust me, bro. Okay, so now it seems to be here. So if I now type NeoVim,
Yeah, now it
okay,
will work.
I think something is happening. Good.
Experience is very nice and interactive, especially in this case where you're setting up an environment for the first time. And by the end,
see
you have your
all
new LazyVim
those
version of
things are just plugins there.
NeoVim
Yeah,
also.
that's fine.
It's a good idea at this point to run the check
You
health
should do
command
it
to verify everything is
manually.
okay.
Check health.
So I'm a bit
command.
zoomed in for this recording.
I don't like though the new files thing there they have there. Like if I wanted to do a new file, I would create it using touch.
But if I zoom out a little, you'll see something more like what you need to run the check health command to an environment for the first time. And by the end, you have your new LazyVim version of NeoVim all set up. It's a good idea at this point to run the check health command to verify everything at the first time.
Okay, what the fuck did they print?
And by the end, you have your new LazyVim version of NeoVim all set up. It's a good idea at this point to run the check health
Yeah,
command
I
to
think it was
verify
just
everything is
normal.
okay.
Um,
So I'm a bit zoomed in for this recording, but if I zoom out a little, you'll see something more like what you would see. A dashboard for quick actions you might want when you first open NeoVim. Okay, let's quit and switch to the folder where our new LazyVim configuration lives, and relaunch NeoVim. A good thing to know about LazyVim is that it comes pre-installed with a witch key. This plugin allows you to hit the leader key, space by default, and it'll show a list of key maps for you to explore. This is handy especially when the key witch key. This plugin allows you to hit the leader key, space by default, and it'll show a list of key maps for you to explore. This is handy especially when the key maps might be new to you, or you infrequently use some of them. So in our case, let's type E, which will open NeoTree at our root directory, and let's navigate to the Lua config folder, and open up the lazy.lua file. Then we'll toggle NeoTree off with leader key again. Since we typed the key map quickly, the witch key overlap doesn't appear, which is a nice touch. You'll notice that several plugins and language servers aren't installed until they're needed,
I
which is
swear,
great for
I think if Lucas will use NeoVim, it's the best thing that ever happened to us. Because he finally will have a normal theme. At least I hope so.
No, that won't happen.
Wow, what streak? Mr. Mango has currently a 5 stream streak. That's crazy. I don't think it will be
Damn.
ready and up to date. Wait,
First thing Lucas will do with Neovim is
what?
you will first get a high contrast theme.
Yep, that's the first thing I will do. For real, you understand me, T-Chef.
Yeah.
Oh,
I hope it doesn't work.
how
high
dare you?
contrast
Config
theme.
change detected reloading. That's crazy. Sync. I mean, I don't know. I think everything is ready. What is this check? Okay, so was it
Yeah.
health? Why can I not? Was it health check? Bro,
Check health.
check health.
Check health.
And I think that's all. Ah. Lua rocks. Damn, Lua rocks doesn't rock really. It's probably good. It's probably good.
Yeah.
Okay, so what else do we have? Log. Oh, that. I don't know. Those red things doesn't look good. I don't know. Very lazy. What is this profile? Can I change the the theme? High
Damn, it's cool to
contrast.
see how long that took to load.
Debug. There's a help. Okay. Update. I think it's all good. Ah, look at that. Everything seems to be pretty good. 3-sitter. I don't know. I think it's all good,
Three
right?
sitters for gold.
And then config. Ah, look at that. Key map options. Where's the theme? Where's the theme?
Probably in it. It's in style lure or in init. That's
Style? In it?
like or steel lure. Oh no, that's Tommel. Never mind. Yeah, then it's probably in it or something.
Wait, Stilua. Oh, that's great.
No.
Okay. That's such a cursed place to have that thing, but sure. Okay. So
For initial performance, the which dig folder, and open up. So in our case, let's type E, which will open new tree at our root directory. And let's navigate to the Lua, or you inscan allows you to hit configuration libs. And relaunch NeoVim. A good thing to know about LazyVim is that it comes pre-installed with the which key. This plugin allows you to hit the leader key, space by default, and it'll show a list of key maps for you to explore. This is handy, especially when the key maps might be new to you, or you infrequently use some of them. So in our case, let's type E, which will open new tree at our root directory. And let's navigate to the Lua config folder, and open up the lazy.lua file. Then we'll toggle neotree off with leader E again. Since we typed the key map quickly, the which key overlap doesn't appear.
where did it go?
Open up the lazy.lua file.
Lazy.lua, okay.
Then we'll toggle neotree off with leader E again. Since we typed the key map quickly, the which
That's great.
key overlap doesn't appear, which is a nice touch. You'll notice that several plugins and language servers aren't installed until they're needed, which is great for initial performance. Let's open up Mason, which is a way to manage language servers, linters, formatters, and more with leader CM. So the install
Leaders CM? Ah.
Thankfully, however, servers does not include TypeScript, which is up Mason, which is a way to manage language servers, linters, formatters, and more with leader CM. So the install language servers does not include TypeScript, which is something that I regularly use. I could install it using Mason, but there are other settings I would need to manually set up. Thankfully, however, LazyVim has a few modules already coded that include the TypeScript settings already wired up for us. So let's uncomment lines 14 through 16 to include TypeScript and JSON support, along with the mini animate plugin, which I'll show you what that does later. And we'll save our changes and put NeoVim. Now let's switch back to our
So available. Wow, look at this. Still S.
Wait, are these? Damn. If that works now, it would be crazy.
Okay, do I do something else? Oh god, there was some animation. Did you see that? Animations. What did you say?
Lang GD.
What?
Lang GD.
Lang GDB? What?
For GD.
GD?
For GD, yeah. Just search C or C++. That's for that.
Well, there is some. See.
Or you do this AST.
Why
Or
can
no,
I
maybe
not?
they're using a different language server, but this one seems crazy.
Why can I not? Ah, okay, like that. Yeah, there's a AST grep which has like C, C++, Rust, Go, Java, TypeScript.
What is everything?
Uh,
I remember there being like Clang GD or something that I use, but yeah, where is it? Clang GD. Yeah.
this thing.
I'm not sure if it's the best one. I just use it, so I don't know.
How the fuck do I add it?
Yeah, that's
You have to select
a good
something.
question.
Smart features to your. Okay. I want it. I need it.
I think you need to add it to a list or something in your config. Like you need to remember the name.
No, because for the
And-
ZLS I just pressed enter and it selected it. Like if I go ZLS, okay, it didn't. Okay, now it says 1 out of 1. Oh wait, no, it's just saying that. Okay. Oh, it's version 15 also, so it's not right. Okay, it won't work. Okay, I guess we just got what we need anyways, so it's fine.
Our previous TypeScript project with cd dash, and then start NeoVim. On launch, you'll see that lazy.nvim is installing some plugins that were required by the lines we uncommented earlier. All
Is
right,
it
now
though?
let's start to navigate our TypeScript project. We'll type space, our leader key, to engage which key, then F to find, and then F again to find files. This launches the Telescope plugin that will search for files known by Git. Normally you'd see a preview of these files, so let me zoom out just a tad. And as I search, you can see a preview of the selected file on the right. Let's open the page.tsx file. LazyVim comes pre-configured with the leap.nvim plugin to allow you to easily jump to any location, which is what I'm using here to jump directly to the first styles reference. You might have noticed the cursor animating to the location. Well, that was the mini.animate plugin that we enabled earlier.
Where
Since we
Lucas line 32 is the theme.
Okay, I want to disable those damn animations. I hate animations so much. Okay, there are no animations. Great. Oh, well, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. How can I jump to absolute line? Do you know?
You can't.
Oh wait. There was something. I think you just do colon and then the line number. So like.
So colon.
Like for example, yeah.
Ah, nice. That I will have to remember.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if we can find some cool theme, right? I don't know. Is this the page where I find themes from? This looks like a.
Yeah, it's the page.
Uh.
I use this one, Goofbox.
Goofbox.
Dark. I think, yeah.
Which one?
Yeah. Wait, now
Where was
down. You were down. This one.
This one.
But
Oh
the
yeah,
dark
I
one, yeah.
remember. I remember. Ooh. A bit too pink, if you ask me. Cyberdream. This sounds cool, all right?
Oh, pink, man. I should have like more pink in my theme. Damn. But
I say as long as Lucas doesn't show the light theme.
Light theme. Fuck.
Yeah, true. No, whatever Lucas chooses, it's gonna be bad. That's what I know.
Hey, come on. I don't have so bad taste.
It's true. No, you do.
This is alright. Perfect.
Wait.
Yeah.
Neo Vim
Yeah.
Vim. Wow, tutorial for Sig. Is there a good theme for Sig? I use Xcore Dark theme for NeoVim. Ooh. Let's look into that. It shows pictures of dogs. That's awesome.
Wait, he scored? Which one? The modern version or the like old classic one? Because I'm using the old classic one and it looks kind of awful. But the modern one looks even more awful. So.
What is the theme in Sig official website? Oh, should I just have it official? It's called garbage with a
Yeah,
silent B.
Oh.
Garage. Oh my god. Ask here. Oh my god. Bro, that's good. Can I find like I don't know what I want. This sounds pretty cool. Ah.
Not like choosing a theme is so hard.
Yeah, for real. Like I just want
Yep.
something.
Like I'm not even like really satisfied with my one, but I just use it because I don't know. It's okay.
Because you're just that good.
Oh yeah.
This is like pretty
Whoa. This is
basic.
like a Primogen theme, the first one.
No, that's doesn't he use like pine something? I don't know. This one was
Pine? What?
what's it called? Pine something. Rose pine. Pine rose. I don't know.
I don't know what you're on.
I swear to God, that's what he uses.
Uh,
I know he does. All right. This would be funny to work with if it was actually like a no. Just look at some basic. I don't know.
sure, buddy.
Can we just find something that is just oh, now we're talking. This one. It
I mean,
is.
it's better than the VS Code theme, I think. So
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why we still have to do a little bit more searching.
oh.
No, this looks like Sublime text or something like that. Don't like it. We need to.
Oh.
Nah, this one was pretty bad as well. Okay, Neovim high contrast themes. Contrast. High contrast. Oh, nice.
Oh, damn. Okay.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I think we saw this one already, but this one was pretty bad because it has, I don't know. I don't like it. Maybe it could work as long as it's just not that like this thing. I don't
You're
like
bleh.
it.
Huh? What?
That was pretty good.
You know what I think about your film, Lucas? That you're on VS Code? I think bleh.
Hey, shut. This
Yeah.
this is what he uses. Okay,
Who uses?
Primogen.
Who's using that?
Who-
Ah, okay.
Yeah, he's 100% sure about it. No, this one looks like so C++ style. Do you? What the
The
fuck
name is
is
VS
that?
Code.
What the fuck is that?
Or that is some anti font.
Yeah, we don't do that. Yeah, it's alright. Let's see. Nah, I like it like this. So how do I get this one? There.
Yeah.
Is it? No, wait. What do I just?
Yeah,
I just-
there should be a plugins list somewhere here.
Why do I have this lazy setup? Ah, but plugins they just replace it. That is basic what it is. You can just put it
Oh yeah.
here. Shouldn't you be able to?
Yeah.
Wait, but
Yeah,
how
there
does it?
should be.
This one has colors. Oh, wait, but this is like install setup. Ah, so this is like this LazyWim require setup, and then they have this whole thing here. But this is like more explicit details. Like, can I just? Okay, there's some animation here. I don't like that, but let's see. I think I'm just supposed to do this, but I don't know why there are two. We'll just do this and see what happens. All right.
Right.
And let's see. Where can I see the status? Ah.
Very lazy is like crazy status.
For real. I don't know if I did. It's oh yeah. If I type, was it check health? I don't know. I don't see like any I don't know. Is it working or is it not? I don't think it's updated anything though. Like no. It doesn't feel like it.
Maybe look in the config what files you have, because
I don't think it's updated. It doesn't look like the theme. Ah, maybe I need to
Whoa, guys. Wait. Hear me out here. Wayland devs are actually so stupid. They're so bad at making something that they're using an X11 library for converting key codes into keysim. Like what? What are they doing with their lives, man? Damn.
Does one
Yeah,
just comment out selected? Oh my god. Why do that?
Oh
You
yeah, I
do-
don't.
like I can say you how you do a multi-line comment in Lua, but I don't know how you do that.
No, in Neovim. Comment.
Yeah, I just do multi-line comments all the time. Like I don't.
Yeah, how the fuck do you do that?
In Lua you do dash dash open square bracket,
Oh, you can do that.
and to close it you do close square bracket.
So dash
And
dash close bracket? Oh, you mean like
open square bracket. Yeah, just for open square bracket.
yeah.
And then the same to close it, but just with the close, and then like so just close square bracket and then dash dash.
Bro, why cannot my cursor just stay up there when I move down? How am I supposed to figure out if okay, I guess I could do that.
Normally you don't move with a mouse, you know.
Like this? Is that how you comment? It doesn't look commented to me.
Yeah, also doesn't look commented to me. Wait. Oh, you do it with double, so double open and double close. Damn, my bad.
That looks more like it. Okay.
I mean, what is that syntax? But it's okay.
Require.
I mean, Zig doesn't have multi-line comments. It's such a premium feature.
No, they suck. They're bad.
What am I trying to do? I'm trying to type lazy. Lazy. Dot setup. And then we're gonna. Oh my god. Oh
Yay,
Jesus.
yet another dependency.
Wait. How? What is redo? Forgot what redo is. Ah, right.
What do you mean?
Okay.
Redo the undo thing?
This and then here. Why am I just not doing this? Bam. Very nice. And what the fuck? Just like that. And then there's one error apparently, which is kind of funny. Is it because that is not actually supposed to? So it's supposed to be like this. Okay, I
By the
don't
way,
know.
Lucas, Control R is redo. So if you undo something with U in normal mode, Control R redo.
Mm. And I don't think it worked.
Hmm. Yeah.
Was it check? Health, right? But I don't know. It seems to be doesn't complain.
This is weird.
I guess I cannot just have any themes.
But wait, now what is in your init.lua? Are you just calling it because like the init.lua calls gets called like normally? So
Yeah, but I have recorded just set up the same way 11 months ago. I don't know.
but that's not in your init.lua, so like That
I
should
mean,
still work.
no, I'm not in it. But it does it the same way for this. Why would this thing work then? I don't get it.
Yeah, I also don't know. But wait, go into your init.lua. Maybe there's also like something that, like maybe not, but it's a possibility.
Heaven's sake. Nah, wait. Pressing F when I'm supposed to press something else. Okay. The fuck? What did I do wrong? What is wrong? That should be... Ah, but I got two of them. That's why. There it is. Bit funny. Well, actually, we could take that. Okay, so I guess I cannot change the theme.
You probably can. Let's just maybe go to the Lazy's website. Maybe they have a thing for it and show how it's done. Configuration maybe.
Plugins.
Oh, where is it? Color scheme.
Example. What? But I don't. Color scheme plugins. Lua. Ah, there's just example Lua. Wait, does it use that thing? I'm very confused.
It seems like it.
Let's just get that damn LSP working, and then we can look into these things.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna go with load. It's done, right? We don't need to worry about anything else. So then we're gonna take in this thing.
Okay. So now inside our home directory.config, we have an
Why
nvim.
do I have?
Well, Lucas, I've sent you a list of like basic
and the really important file,
motions or like not basics. It depends. You can download it and like add to it if you like
Oh yeah,
discover
wait.
a new thing
I
or
have.
so.
I
I don't
have
know.
also. I think I have it stored. And Vim motions. Wait, what? I swear I used to have it. Oh yeah, but I never removed it.
file here is this.
There's a new Vim cheat sheet. No, this is not the one I'm referring to.
Oh yeah,
There it is. This one.
that's probably better than mine.
This one is the one I have been looking at for.
In it, inside that, you see that there are several other subdirectories, and the really important file here is this init.lua file. This is basically the main configuration file for NeoVim. So now, speaking of NeoVim, we're going to need to download and install it. So let's go back to our browser.
But
In here, let's search for NeoVim. There we go. Let's click here, install. So let's copy this link right here. Let's go back to the terminal. Let's move to our download folder once again. Let's do a wget.
Hey, what's up, Damon?
Okay.
Yeah, you probably know.
What's up?
How do we change the theme in LazyVim?
Sorry, what?
How do we change?
How do I
theme?
change the theme?
Yeah, the theme.
I didn't even change the theme. Mine's still just like that orange, dark, like light black background, Let me take a look at your stream here.
We'll get the LSP.
Yeah,
working. Then we'll
I never touched. Yeah, I never touched the theme, but only thing I touched was like keybinds. That was the only thing I really cared about. Give it time.
We'll look into those as well, but we need LSP.
Okay,
I'm back.
And we have a there.
RuneScape dropped their first skill in 13 years today, so I'm gonna be playing that.
Damn, a RuneScape update.
Yeah, a RuneScape update. Their first skill in 13 years.
Let's do a witch and Vim. Here we go. And we download it.
Sailing.
Damn.
You got the whole map. You can build a boat, sail around,
Kickstart configuration.
be a
And let's
pirate.
quit here.
Oh, he got lazy
What
Vim.
to do. Let's edit our .profile.
Yeah, he got
And
lazy Vim.
at the end, I have some aliases here. Let's add an alias vi equals nvim, and an alias vim equals nvim.
So alias
Also,
for Vim.
He's changing them all the time.
So VI, which will make VI the editor for our command line. Let's close that. So now, if I, for example, let's
Bro.
source that file, and if I, for example, am writing out this command,
Why
escape,
would you,
now I am in VI mode. So I
when
can
you
use VI
say
input
Vim,
commands.
open the thing?
Also insert
Okay.
here.
Yeah,
Yes.
change
CLS,
nano.
left.
Nano
So,
opens
and if we
NVim.
do a VI,
You
we
know.
have
I mean,
Thanks
the
Discord,
if
everything
you
opens
just
in
want to
Vim.
use
That's
Nivim,
working
it's
as we want it to
fine,
work.
you know.
Now what we want to do is
Yeah.
customize that configuration.
Accidentally
So let's
misspell.
do
You don't want
VI
to open the wrong
Vim
editor.
init.lua.
VS
Okay.
Code
And
opens
as you can see,
new
this is a
Vim.
heavy
Hey!
documented initialization file in the
Kickstart
language.
and read this.
What we're going to do is I already have an
What is
init.lua with the
Kickstart? Like,
customization that
what?
we
I
What is
remember
this?
this. This is like
changes real
a
quick.
thing
So let's
that
exit out of this.
teaches you
And
new
let's
Vim.
copy
Huh.
in the home directory here.
I just know that there
Customize
was
init.lua.
NVim tutor that you can do
Now, if we do
that
the
kind of explains like the
init.lua,
small introduction, which I didn't
Now,
really
you
read.
see that something happened because this new init.lua has some additional changes that we're going to be using from now on. For example,
That's another one that I don't use.
let's search
Like
for
I have
GLS.
it. It's like that
You'll see that
menu
we
that
have
you
this
use.
entry
Like I
here,
have it, but I
GLS,
never use
and
it.
this is inside this local servers entry, basically for the language
I like
server
to have
configuration inside of this init.lua for NeoVim. We already had this entry
the
for
thing
Lua,
on the
for
left
Lua
side
OS language server.
pop up
So what we're
instead,
saying here
like
for GLS is
actual
that the command that we
ID.
want to use is our user local bin ZI. And you could get some problems of
ID.
mismatch
God
between
damn
the
it,
zip
not a
version
bomb.
and the version of ZLS.
Why do I
So
always
another,
say that?
in the case
Every
of Zig,
single
we're going
time.
to be
It's
using the command
an
zig func.
explosive
So this
device,
basically
you
will
know?
save
It's because
local
you're the
programs
bomb.
to format your zig files. And mini.pairs.setup.
What do they say?
And usually you
Improvised
need,
explosive
pairs,
device.
and
That's what I'm
so
saying all the
zig
time when I say
init,
fucking
and apparently,
IED.
use match between
But it's
Lua.
because IEDs were in my life first before IDEs.
The what?
Oh, here we go. Here's your lazy Vim. Why is it just called lazy though?
He has multiple files.
Where do I find the damn LSP? Re?
Well,
Is he
like,
lazy or is he in another file?
Chance? No.
it should just be init.lua is what you should be in. Init.lua. Alright, yeah, here. There you go. So requires lazy like this is so weird. Like this does not look like anything like mine. Like all my shit's in this file.
Nah, they have it.
Everything's in this file. Like
They have
Yeah, but split up is actually better for like bigger configs.
yeah.
man, we're not fucking dweebs, man. We just want it to go.
Like my config
This
is
is
only
like this is all
350
you
long,
have.
so
Like
it's
inside your
fine.
lazy, well, you got auto
Yeah.
commands too. So the lazy Vim points to your other sub commands here. Is that what you got
Yeah.
here?
Yeah.
Like options, key maps, and stuff.
But I wonder
Well, then
like
you're fine. Everything looks fine then. You just
Because
everything's blank
in
though.
what file is
like the only file that has something is literally just lazy.
Okay, well, T-Chef, give him your like copy and paste your thing and send it to a Discord so he can take a look at it.
How do I just get the damn LSP in here? Like Jesus Christ.
Will you?
like with my config I
Okay,
would know
so we have
because I have like
we
an
have a
LSP
section at the bottom. Yeah, we have a bottom at the in our thing that handles the LSP. I got ChatGPT to cook it up, but you can grab it, and they have like a new way. Like I'm sure you. I don't know whatever Harold or T-Chef was using was depreciated, and I upgraded it.
Deprecated, you mean?
No, depreciated.
That's interesting.
Install the TypeScript language server, we can now leverage LSP features such as rename. Here we'll rename styles to CSS, and the LSP will intelligently rename the variables as needed. Search. And if you can see a preview of the Solve plugin actions via the TypeScript color scheme, then once you have more than bracket B, those are the ones I brush. And you can just substitute list of help page and that lazy Vim is installed. Let's exit this help page and take a look.
No.
Above referencing leader ST to another piece of function applications.
Nah, that's,
Oh my god.
that's all right.
Okay,
We all
fine.
know what
I'm
to
gonna send you
do.
Then when
my
you use
con
a variable with underscore to ignore the warning.
and you're gonna see
and
how
research
I turn on all
changes
my
and put neoVim.
LSP for all my.
Now let's switch back to our previous TypeScript
fucking,
project with CD dash.
Zig is in my
C#
top
Oh,
2
again, define.
languages.
And as I search
And I think I
and put
have
neoVim. Here's
Zig.
16 to include TypeScript.
I just have to find out
Third
where
one
I'm
is C++.
keeping my. Fuck! It's always
And
a fucking journey trying to find this thing. Oh, did GitHub
fourth
fix
one is
itself? Probably, eh?
Python.
Yeah, it did. It's time to clod this thing. Bruh.
Yeah, get it to cook you up, config. But I would open like a whole new folder and just like copy and paste like all your like. Don't have it touch your configs like you were yesterday. Like,
Yeah.
it's so dumb. You don't have it source controlled or anything like that. It's just copy it somewhere
I
else
could
when
do
you're
a
happy
source
with it.
control
Like,
on it.
That's another thing. It's like I kind of started source controlling a bit of my configs, but then I started like putting things like my normal actual configs that have like things that shouldn't get pushed, and then I just stopped pushing it.
Mm.
I wonder if I should just like, because you can have a local branch without committing it online, right? And I was thinking about maybe just localing it and never full commit online.
What the fuck? Repository is there. New. And then just make nvim config.
I don't know, make it
Why not put it
private.
in your
Might,
dot files?
yeah.
Don't you have a arch
It's
Linux?
Yeah,
no,
I do,
like
but
this is just.
but I don't wanna.
Nah, this is fine. He can move it later. He just needs to source it before he starts fucking with it. That's just the only thing.
Yeah.
Even though like it is all default right now, but you might get something you might want to keep.
I'm just gonna do it in here. And I'm just gonna do all of this. Bam. Guys, look away.
Damn, I know his password now.
Just no, yeah, okay.
Lucas' password is probably high contrast.
So you could do ls-a to see if the .git folder is there.
Well, it is there because otherwise I wouldn't have master here. But yeah, I can do that. It's bam. Anyways,
Yeah.
now we can cloud this shit.
LA.
Yeah, I do.
Why?
It's just more information. It's a force of habit. How can I
LA?
add
Nu ska vi se.
LSP ZLS
LS will probably add the new
my
New York
lazy
flag soon.
Vim config? Let's see what it cooks up. Or why is it touching?
I would also ask it to set your key maps to be Visual Studio default too.
So wait, it
You don't
creates.
want to fucking hand
Wait,
write all that crap
yeah,
out
that's.
yourself.
Oh my
It'll
god,
know.
that's so good. Let's see, what does it do? It does sig plugins plugins inside of plugins. It does sig Lua, and then that's the you must be optimized. Add sig tree. Do you need like separate? Okay, before.
It's
Do we
probably
need
tree
a-
setter's like
just for
it's like this different plugin.
File for sig, or should
No, just put it in plugins. It's good.
just no,
Oh
just,
no,
just,
it's making a zig.lua.
yeah, general purpose what would you call it? LSP
I would just
file.
say, yeah, plugins.lua.
You don't need a separate file for sig. You have a few options. Edit the existing Lua example, rename it to something like LSP Lua, and add alongside or create a plugins for all your LSP. Use as is. Okay, well, I don't think the example has any information either way. Oh wait, the example actually do have
it
information. What the fuck?
has a lot.
What the fuck? Why does it have so much shit? Is it even used?
No, it's probably not referenced anywhere. This is just for you to read.
Well, that's great. I will just keep example, then I can create a new one so I can read the reference back to the example if I need to at some point. 2.
Yeah, it says use example, just enable it, right? And then add ZLS to it.
Then I will create a
That's
new.
obvious. Look, it's got Bash, HTML,
LSP.
JavaScript, Lua. It's got all like the basics on it right
LSP
there.
service. Okay, TS add tree sitting, blah blah blah. Ensure LSP servers are installed. Sure, do that.
By the way, Damon, you know the like message animation thing you showed me in the terminal? How was that called again? I downloaded it and I forgot how it was called, and
It's
never
secret
message or something like that. Secret message.
Yeah, secret
message.
something. And you could see that he refused my pull request on that repository.
Nah,
don't
it's
know if
not
this
I
is
offer.
Whoa.
user local
It's
being suppressed.
hold on, I gotta go to my GitHub notifications because it's still one of my most
Mhm.
recent like things that he said. He said, "Fuck me."
Fuck
Windows
you.
support. No more secrets. His pull request was closed.
No
He
more
says, "Hi,
secrets.
Damon. Thanks for your interest in this project, but I do not wish to implement native Windows support for this project because it increases the scope and complexity for any updates going forward. All my projects are intended for Unix, Linux platforms only." It's like Windows users are encouraged to use WSL for installation. It's like, bruh, do you understand what this app is? Like, why would I use this on WSL? Just shows Arch Linux as the background. Man, he really hates Windows.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
He really hates the Windows.
Yeah.
Lazy Vim.
Lazy Vim.
Install. Update. Just
Plugins
do
was
sync or
renamed.
something.
Please
Yeah, I think
update
sync.
your. Wait, what did it say? Plugins was installed.
Just
Please
press S. Just press S.
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 What are you doing?
I'm pressing S.
Shift S or maybe. I think it's no. Go press Escape and then Shift S. And Escape, Shift S. There you go. And then Shift U, and that's it. And you can get the hell out of
Plugin
here.
William
You should
Wade
never have to go back in here.
was renamed. Please update your for lazy. What? Oh, that's not good. Wow, that's not crazy.
Mason.
Whoopsie daisy, that's not what I want to do. I wanted to just take this. I'll just do that. No, I cannot do that.
It's like Command U or something like that to copy. I can't remember. Like you got like.
Oh, is it jank?
That's the one thing that
do
you're
I
gonna
still
be.
do I still use the
Yeah.
normal Vim? Ah, yeah, okay.
But like you got to know that you can change that. Like that's the whole point of it. It's like sure they got all these yank commands, but damn, that's what that keybind file is for. And I would just ask Claude to just cook you up a fucking key map based on Visual Studio. Just do it so you can just change it yourself.
I'm just gonna let it cook
Because it'll
that
probably
thing.
be like a couple hundred lines.
Yeah, yeah. Probably. I mean, okay. If I can get the keybinds that I got, then this will
If
be.
you go to Visual Studio, you might be able to save your keybinds to a JSON file and then
I think they're by
give Claude
default
that
somewhere
JSON
in
file.
something. Perfect, updated. Okay, let's see if I now do this. And okay, lazy, and then shift U. Yeah, now it seems to be fine. Okay. I don't know why I did that. We don't need to write anything. And I'm just gonna go CD projects, YouTube, Planetary Zigma, and then
Okay,
we're
let's
gonna.
bet if it works.
Let's see. I'm gonna do source. I don't know why this. I don't know if it works though. Well, it says type in front of the thing, so that's really nice. Let's see. I'm just gonna do std dot static bit set. Maybe it does work. Print
It works.
debug.
It works.
It works.
It
Does
works.
it find if I do a renderer dot? Oh, there is the init. It's kind of hard to see, but it works. Okay.
You can change the colors, by the way.
Yeah. Okay, so the thing worked. Great. We can start cooking, boys. We still need to fix some theme stuff though. But we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. It's really good, really good. Is that Actually,
Yeah, and before you get too far, you're gonna want to do your key maps. 'Cause
yeah.
that shit will start to piss you off. You're gonna want to copy and paste some shit like right off the
Okay.
beginning, and you're gonna be like all pissed.
Levan, how dare you? You
What?
said key map while I am typing key map because I'm doing keys. Bro, nah.
I just be like that
If
sometimes.
you read your mind.
That shit happens like all the time, bro. Like I'm just coding something and then you guys say exactly the word I'm coding.
I swear, that's so crazy.
Bro, we're in a simulation. Like
Yeah.
actually.
Lucas, you maybe should have pushed it to an end then we put
Ah,
it
but it
for
doesn't-
doing
Well,
it doesn't-
no,
it-
it's touching another file.
Can I?
Okay.
It's fine.
I can see your current keymat file is mostly empty, just using LazyVim default to help you migrate your VS Code. Yeah, so just gonna give, but I can do
Yeah,
the.
see, it's doing exactly what I told you to do. Is just go into your VS
Yeah, but
Code
let me just.
and then save your even
yeah.
just JSON too. Yeah, it's exactly what I said.
Commit dash still as added git push, and then we'll see. I can see your current.
Yeah, just open up Visual Studio,
Export
get
from
the JSON file.
VS Code given from set to open. Click gear icon on the top right. Open keyboard shortcut. Copy JSON content common versus commonly used. Okay. So what is this telling me? That I can go inside of file
File
preferences?
preferences.
Where are preferences? Preferences there.
Down.
And then
Settings or keyboard.
shortcuts,
No,
yes.
shortcuts, yeah. And then you should be able to save this to a file somehow.
Yeah.
Ryder can do it, so why couldn't
Click
you?
gear icon in the
There's
top
a-
right. Well,
It's
that.
at the bottom left.
Yeah, but that's not that. Click the gear icon on the top right and select open keyboard shortcut. JSON.
Oh.
Copy the content and share it with me. I think it just wants me to find maybe I can find where it's actually located.
You should be able to just save this whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you're right now in the keyboard
Can you just
shortcuts.
right-click
There's
the
probably a
background?
keyboard shortcuts in the JSON format already.
Copy title. How about like not a single thing? See if you can like right-click the whole like the whole table.
No. Let's see. Can I just find?
I would ask ChatGPT, like just open up ChatGPT, be like, yo, I want to save my VS Studio Code
Where are
keyboard
my
shortcuts to a JSON file.
Keyboard shortcuts file located? Where is maybe, but fuck, we are not grammar here, alright? Well, maybe I should specify that I'm only, okay, good. Config code user, let's see. No such file or directory. Let's see.
Well, there's no such thing as user. There's no such thing as user, is there? Or yeah, there is. There in Linux.
Let's see, what did it say? Ah, user, I have to provide probably there is user, like so. And what do we have here? Key bindings JSON. Yeah, it was just, and that doesn't. I mean,
What? To override the defaults. Can you save it to this file? Like what?
yeah, these are like my actual key bindings that I have, but it's missing a few other ones. This is just one custom one. I don't think that these are all. Oh, maybe it's because it's let's see, what else do we have here? We have user, and then maybe workspace storage that I have, because you can also store them in there. Nah. But you do also workspace specific bindings, but that wouldn't make sense. What do we have here? No, I don't know. What is in global storage? Siglang.
No, you should be able to just say. Then go back to Visual Studio. You should be able to just like. There should be a thing like I wouldn't understand why it wouldn't have like an option to just save.
Migrate keyboard shortcuts
Show.
for no, that's migrate. I want an export.
Yeah,
Show.
yeah. Well, migrate might be the thing.
But it's
you
from.
might want to. Oh, to here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Show open in
Yo.
editor. What do I know? Configure editor.
I don't know. Can you just scroll all the way to the bottom and just copy it and paste it to a notepad? Just give it to him.
Yeah, I was thinking that, but it doesn't seem to. I cannot.
No, go like from A, like start.
No, but I cannot.
Nope.
In control, it doesn't work.
All right. Well,
Had just like 10 custom buttons.
read only. So how do you save it though? Check. Just ask it to like, how do I save my default key bindings to a JSON file? Like you're asking it for like locations and stuff that don't exist. Like just ask it how to save it. Like that's the answer we want.
There must be an answer in VS Code. Like, if VS Code couldn't export to JSON, it would be insane.
That's exactly my thoughts, Tisha. It's exactly my thoughts. Like I'd just be like, I don't know. That's wild. Because I know like Rider. Like, when you first install it, it'll ask you
file
to,
that's
like,
saved
peek into Visual
somewhere, but I don't have that save option.
Preferences open. Like you also have like your Visual Studio kind of like weird looking too. I don't know.
How dare you? Weird looking my ass. Command shift.
Press.
Preference, but that's just gonna open listing. It's not really anything I can do about that. Keyboard.
It's just walking you through the beginning steps. You're already here. See what it wants to do next.
Well, then it just tells me that say the file somewhere.
Run preferences, open keyboard, and say like, yeah, okay. So highlight 3, and then a little button will show up. Just highlight the whole thing. All right. Now ask ChatGPT, be like, look online for the correct way to download my default settings to a JSON file. Like it's already. Damn, you should just like, I don't know. Normally I'll just start a whole new conversation when it goes off track because it's still just fucking considering the beginning bullshit.
I don't know. I don't see anything. Sort by preference.
There's got to be a way.
Got to be a way.
If there's a will, there's a way.
I can just copy paste them individually, one by one. Open keyboard shortcuts.
What's the SCJ? What is
this is the same one. This is the one that I have, but I do have more custom commands than this.
Okay, so go online. Just go online and go VS Code default shortcuts, and then just copy that web page and give it to the Claude. Like that'll have the table. Like
I know what I want to do.
Like,
okay, I can also tell it that I will just manually tell it your most regularly used commands. Can you do if I hold Alt plus down up arrow key, I move direction. Let's see. That's just one of my
generally
favorite.
the workflow for key maps in NeoVim is like you'll have like a trigger button, which is your initial like I'm about to do my personal commands button, and I think me and T-Chef just use space. So every time we press
Mm.
space, and then we do whatever our command's in, so it doesn't conflict with anything. Except for my copy and paste is just Control C, Control V.
Consider Control V. Yeah, that's a really good. I don't know. This looks like some real custom.
My copy paste is just C and V because I don't need to type anything.
I'm using voice activated keybinds, guys. Oh no,
Oh,
you're in the past.
You guys behind. Let's see. Lua, was it in config? Yeah,
I don't know. I'm just gonna say right now, your introduction to NeoVim has been so painful.
This is
compared
actually
to,
what
like,
I wanted. I
mine.
got it right. Damn. No, this is always my introduction to NeoVim. I have tried starting it fourth. This is the fourth time, and it's always the same thing. But this time it's actually running.
Dude, I literally booted it up, asked T-Chef to send me his basic config, and then I was like, I don't know, it was a smooth
Oh
ride
my god.
after that.
It's so damn good. Holy fuck, this is awesome. Okay. This is perfect. Okay. It actually got this correct. But what normal move
All right,
current.
I'm gonna find my config, and I'm gonna send you.
Wait,
some
I can do
things
it in
here.
insert as well? Oh my god. I can do it in
Yeah, you
insert.
see the vim keymap.set and the first character, like the V, I, and
No, hold up.
N
I'm sending him
stands for the
something.
mode.
Nah,
Wait,
I'm
wait,
sending him
wait,
something.
wait,
Hold up.
wait, what? Say again? What?
You see in the beginning for the set command on every line,
Yeah?
there's the N, V, and I.
Yeah, yeah.
These stand for the
Oh.
mode, and because you set everything for the normal visual and
Yeah.
insert mode, it works in every mode.
Okay.
If you would
and
like
how do you
delete
read
the
this
last two
then?
lines, then nah, but
Oh.
this is some comment that you do, like it just pastes. It's in what you could also do it manually with just if you paste
I
like
know I
adding.
could.
Yeah.
I sent you.
Yeah, I don't know what it is
my
for, like.
config, but
No. This
Lucas,
is what
you
I.
see vim.g.mapleader is what you want to add.
This is awesome. This is what I want. All right. This is perfect. Added line. What is this even called? Does it have perfect added
Key maps. It's just key maps.
no, added line movement. Yeah, I don't know. Git push. Okay. This is awesome. Can you also add shortcut? I use shift plus 7 to comment out to toggle comment.
Okay, well, this would be interesting.
Yeah, I don't know. I've gotten used to it, so I use it. Can you also add shortcut shift plus 7 to toggle comment current line, and if in visual mode toggle all selected. Wait. If in toggle command and if in visual mode toggle all toggle comment all selected lines. Ah, that's crazy. Okay. Okay. Okay, bro. This is gonna be awesome. I'm just saying. If it works, you know. Bro, why did I do a
Why
git
not?
add? I wasn't supposed to do a git add. I just saw the dot and I was like,
the whole thing that everyone loves NeoVim is the macros. Like, it's the macro king.
right, I forgot. The shift 7 is already dipped. I can't really.
That's why you do it with the leader.
Yeah, add the leader. So I sent you a file. Like, you just gotta look at like line 8. You'll see vim.g map leader, and then I have it just as a space. You can put it whatever you want, but we were using just space. So that's how, like I was just explaining, like you don't override like some default nim stuff, and it's just probably a thing you'll probably just want to get used to anyways.
Or could I just use shift C? Or does shift C already have a It seems to be a cut. Okay, leader. Oh yeah, you have a leader there. You do. Okay, so you have the normal mode, and then you just put leader brackets. And
It's
then
basically
Yeah.
like the main mod in Hyperland
yeah,
config,
but
you
wait,
know?
does it like is it like? Oh, what the fuck? Is it like this? Leader?
I think so. Yeah.
I don't know. I sent you the file. I didn't really.
Like I'm not sure about the. I think it's with the like greater and less than symbols. I'm not
Yeah, no,
entirely
no,
sure.
that's what you had, but I'm gonna. Let's see. So if I
You'll
now
figure
do,
it out.
right, I have to do the leader. Okay, but that has something else now.
You didn't reset NeoVim.
Reset it.
Yeah, you have to completely shut it off and log back into
Yeah.
it. Like every time you make a change. Yeah, I see. I see. It was like the dash leader, but the next part didn't have anything in brackets though.
Yeah, but then I need Shift 7.
Oh, right, because you wanted them together. That's right. Yeah, yeah. Some weird syntax.
Or could I get used to a
Oh,
different
you didn't
command?
add the leader though. You haven't added a leader yet. Like you just added the symbol for leader, but you haven't like. There's no such thing as leader. I don't see it anywhere.
It's right
You
there.
got to add a vim.g. Yeah, but what is like leader is
Ah,
non-existent. You just threw it in there.
I thought it was something already. Okay, wait, where do you define it?
I don't know, top, high up, because it goes from top to bottom, the whole
Yeah.
file.
You have it.
Line 16.
You have an ECS in your? No, it's some German stuff.
Yeah, I copied T-Chef's. I just kept whatever he had.
Fuck, I cannot
Yeah,
see.
he has an ECS inside of his new Vim config, you know.
Yeah,
You don't
it's
know
near
my
the top. It's
half-praised NeoVim config?
Yeah. You don't know what it?
vim.map leader equal, and it's just blank, a space.
Oh, you can do like that. Okay, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you can have it whatever you want, but I don't know, space seems fine for me. Obviously, everything here is going to be subject to change. It's probably just best to put it whatever, and then you'll know what you want later on.
No, I use space as well for leader.
All right, so then you'll have to, yeah.
Fuck. No. Ah, bro, I'm retarded.
Yes.
Okay, it still does that. You know what? Let's just forget about it. We do it like this. I have a better plan. Why? Wait. Can you do it? Sit there all. Shift 7.
Wait, guys, what's the role for letting people talk in this channel again? Lucas live join permission?
Lucas
We don't have
live,
a
yeah.
role. No, it's not a role. Is
It's
it?
not a
Wait.
role?
I don't know. Like, I just
there is
uh,
the live one.
oh.
It is that
I
one.
used like manually add per people.
Oh no.
Wait, it's Lucas
Yeah.
live join permission, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. So Schrödinger, you should be able to rejoin now and say something.
Still doesn't.
While Lucas is failing to do new him, I will just rant about Wayland for like 2 seconds. So basically, to get a key sim from a key code, you have to go through hell because you have to get first you have to get the key sim from the key code, but for that you need like a key state thing, and to get that you need a key map, and to get that you need a like key context, and to get that you have to suffer, and then it has to be created in a callback that is in a Wayland, which is like a separate thing. It's not, these things are not attached, okay? Yeah. But I'm just seg faulting, you know?
Damn.
Yeah.
That sounds
Is
primitive.
that your window library or is that
Yeah,
the
that's
Wayland
window.
client?
Nah, I'm not making a Wayland client. I realized
Okay.
it was too much pain because I don't want to
Mhm.
touch Wayland because it's so bad. They're not even sending JSON. They're just sending like shitty protocols that they think everyone should know about.
That sounds pretty good.
Yeah, sure. No, but I managed to find some decent Wayland headers. So yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, I don't know. Wayland is kind of like Vulkan, but if it was a shit API and there were callbacks everywhere, you know.
You do a callback for the swap chain creation. And then a
Yeah, I
callback
mean
for the
basically
function.
like that. Like everything that can happen at a like a little bit delayed is a callback, basically. Yeah.
See, I think I maybe even have it in this old. Where's my? Wait, what? I don't have it here, right? But I do have my old NeoVim. I think I have it in that one. Let's see. I should actually be going to bed because I have an exam early on in the morning tomorrow. Lol.
Exam or?
Yeah, math exam.
Damn.
Yeah, I removed the backup. Yeah, I kind of went like I'm actually not gonna be needing that thing, and I removed the backup. Lol. We don't have it. That's fine.
No wait, you didn't
I don't know,
remove
man.
the
Just take
backup,
my
right?
init file and just replace it with yours, and
No, no, no. I don't want.
it's perfect.
I
But
It's got a little
Lucas,
bit
what
of
topic
Yerman
are
in there.
you?
No.
Lucas, what topic are you writing the math exam about?
It's about two-dimensional derivative and also third and
Okay.
fourth dimensional. Like graph, you take
Two-dimensional
multivariable thingy. Do shift
And
equals
you feel
colon
confident?
plus Q
Confident?
plus A plus exclamation mark 9 to 5 office worker. What? You guys familiar with this thing?
Nope.
No. Bro's running a NeoVim headless. Damn.
I actually don't know, bro. I just want to be able to comment my current line. That's all I want to do.
I have a full comment line. Like I'm telling you, just look at my. Damn. There's a. What did I do for full comment? It's a whole like method. It's not like a or where is it here? Save file, add entry terminal. Nope. Yeah, it's a command here. I got Copilot key bindings too. Damn. Yeah, I got Copilot in here.
Yeah, I think Bro has every
Telescope, tree setter. Yeah, man. Lua line. What is this? So that's just fucking coloring. Where do I have my? Okay, I got more mappings here. What's this one? Completion? Oh, that's just completion.
See, I'm also looking at. I don't know. I don't.
Where? Rust analyzer. Yeah, there's my LSPs. Yeah, ZLS. Yeah, it's got like everything. It's got everything.
We got everything. Let's see what
Where is
oh wait, there
my
you have a
comment
comment.
outlines though?
Add at the start of each line. Oh, okay.
Well, you could
Remove-
just add dash dash dash, but you could change it to whatever you want. But you see how like weird and complex they all
Yeah.
work, but you could just tell it to use that as like use this.
Yeah, but the
But
problem is
change
that
it to what I
kind of
want.
comment won't work for every programming language.
Well, I understand that, but tell Claude to be like, I want it this way. Like use this is how it actually works, but I want it done.
Yeah, but
this way. And I'll be
that's
oh,
like, well, I guess I could
okay.
try. Okay, well, why not?
I can tell you, like that works for me.
Yeah. No, I don't doubt you about it. It works. This is how one can force / in front or well. Line.
Yeah, it uses some fucking rejects too, man. There's some wild stuff.
Yeah. I shouldn't be in here when. Do I have to manually reload it when I start the thing, or will it just?
Well, every time you make a change, you should do nvim dot again.
Well, look at that. It's just doing this instead, and then well, I guess you have it for most of the languages it will work.
I mean, it's the best thing you can do probably. So
Well, I probably won't touch anything else than C and C++ and Sig. Where the fuck?
Whatever.
It didn't even add Sig here. What a fucking joke.
Oh, I see Zig right there. Yeah, I saw Zig.
You
I saw
saw?
Zig.
You saw
No, I
Sig?
saw Zig. Scroll up
Oh,
right
yeah,
here, right here.
okay,
Yeah,
that's
okay.
dash dash.
I'm lying. I'm lying. All right. I take that back.
wait, go up again. I want to see the other commenting out methods for stuff. But what is HTML? Damn.
You're two
Okay.
up. Oh, HTML.
And there, where's the multi-line? Where's the Lua? We need the Lua. Lua. Okay, I don't know if it's correct though,
Dash
but
dash.
we'll see. We'll see. Okay, let's see.
It seems correct.
Here's our beautiful thing. So if I now do nothing, what is the command? What did it do the command for?
Wait, did it? Toggle selection V, and you should have V and I. That's why I did it twice, right?
Oh wait, no, what?
There's V and
Shift 7. Oh no, it think it's no. So it thinks that it thinks it's trying to do Shift 7 still. Isn't that what it tries to do? We don't want to do that. Let's see. I think you did it for Shift plus 7 or slash. Please add the. Please change to CTR. L plus. Well, I guess I could do that myself, but I don't really know where it's. You should probably be just changing this to have a capital C and then dash S7. But let's see. Yep. And then there was another key map. So they changed line 72. Ah, yeah, there as well. But okay, let's see.
is that your? That is the public server, right? That's not your private server.
What?
This is the real one. They had the new skill that dropped today.
Ah.
Sailing.
But I still don't know. Wait, is it the first update since 13 years or?
No, they've done an update
Okay.
every Wednesday since release 13 years ago, but this is the first skill because they've only had they got this thing where all the skills and it's always been
Still doesn't
this
do
one
it.
here, and now they got this brand new one. Just tell it to use a leader function, maybe because ask it to add the space leader, and then maybe you can remove the shift instead, so it'll be like space 7 instead.
I could use space C or something. But is there maybe even a? Oops.
Yeah, just honestly, I think what your issue is just you're having conflicts, and you should just you're gonna have to enjoy the idea of adding a leader and maybe switching your first button. It might be a little weird at first. Or you could find something better than space and maybe no, because I would imagine Control and Alt are pretty much
Caps.
spoken
Unmap
for.
caps and use it as a leader. This also goes.
Cap lock?
Yeah. I think it causes more problems than good.
I'm just thinking, wouldn't you be battling with trying to capitalize and uncapitalize every time you try to type?
No, I mean if you unmap it so it doesn't do it anymore. So it's basically, I don't know. But I heard that a lot of people do that.
I always wanted to try old school RuneScape, but MMOs suck in general, and it's sad. Oh man.
MMOs do kind of suck in general, but damn, RuneScape has just been it's been in my life for a long ass time. So this is a big day. I'm gonna just check it out.
I think
All right, we're going
Space
sailing.
C would maybe make more
Look
sense.
at all the people out there. Look at look at these guys.
I will just get used to a new shortcut. But I think if I do leader space C for comment, you know.
But
like,
wait, Lucas, you right now you only have the key map set in visual mode, if I see it correctly.
Yeah, no, there
Right?
is normal.
And you're in normal mode right now.
There's both visual and normal.
But normal, that's a different thing, or because or is that
Well, I
the
also
function
tried
that only
like this,
comment?
but
I'm not
it
sure.
doesn't work either. So
Okay.
let's see. I don't know. It said just leader, but leader is not defined. So that's funny now. Or did it define leader for me somewhere? I don't think it did.
Oh, we're off. We're sailing. Whee! Where am I going?
Oh, that worked. Okay, that's interesting. It okay,
By the way,
let's see.
Lucas, if you do in normal mode, if you do equal, it will try to fix the indentation. That's like a crazy Vim feature. It's
Wait.
in default Vim, it's
What did you say?
insane.
Equal?
Wow, in this code, I use Control S and it saves and auto formats. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's annoying.
Yeah, if you
No, just now you use bad.
Okay. Look at that. And then you said equal? Or just
Yeah.
equal? It seems to have done it.
Hmm.
Where the fuck am I
Fuck
going?
is this?
What is this?
What the
over
fuck
here?
happened?
Right?
Did it do anything? I probably did something. Anyways, it's it works now. That's crazy. So now we can multi-line comment. We'll add the other things as we go. This AIBS shit works pretty good, right? Just wipe code your config, am I right?
Yes.
I mean, for a config, it's actually a good use, not gonna lie.
Yeah. I think I would still
Though
like
I
to.
think it's also quite of a vibe doing your config, like just all on your own with documentation. I think that's also a vibe. Because like you understand everything, but
You
then on
just
the
needed
other
to
hand,
do
like
things.
yeah, if you like want to spend 1 week on your config, then you got to do that.
No.
Yeah, man. Like there are definitely a lot of things more I want to add, but like for now, it does what I need it to do. Like the
Nah, but I'm
mains,
so
copy
happy with my
paste, comment
Neovim
line,
config.
move lines up and down.
Lucas, do you want to set your line numbers relatively, or
I think I will get. I will
because
not think about it right now. I will get to it when I get to it, because then I will, when I actually start to write stuff, you know.
oh, wait, they are already relative.
Yeah, but
Damn, I
Lucas,
thought they
may I
were
ask how many lines of code have you written today that are not Lua?
0.
Mm-hmm.
Or do you
Anyways,
count? Do you
I'll
count
be
the
going.
-1 if you count
Huh?
the line that I removed in here?
Oh yeah, -1. Yeah, that's great. Anyways, I'm gonna go because I don't want to get rage baited by Wayland anymore.
Alright,
Today.
I'm also gonna go. But
Yeah,
now we got LSP, we got Neovim. Tomorrow we can just continue. It's great. I'm gonna
one
go
day
enjoy my math
spending
exam
for
tomorrow.
Neovim is crazy.
But yeah, alright, see ya guys. Bye bye.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, we lost him.